Hello everyone, in this video we will share with you 30 Microsoft Word tricks or shortcuts that you can usually use in your daily work, which will help you to work fast. So let's get started. The first we will come here to just generate a manual paragraph. For that we have this equal rand and close these brackets, press button. But another trick that I should share with you in this rand method, that is use equal rand. Here inside parentheses you can select how many paragraphs you want, for example 3 paragraphs, and how many lines you want in every paragraph. In that, for example, 7 lines in every paragraph. Close the parenthesis and press enter. See, we have 3 paragraphs, first, second and third. We have these 3 paragraphs and 7 lines in every paragraph. So now we will move to another trick, which is to select this text. Okay, you are using, for example, mouse to select this whole paragraph, but to select a paragraph, for that we have just simply press twice your mouse and it will select the whole paragraph for you. So this was paragraph selection. Now another trick is that you want to change this text to uppercase or lowercase or sentence based. So for that we have shift F3. See, that has changed to uppercase. Again press that, shift F3, again lowercase, again sentence based. Okay, so this was about changing the paragraph text to upper, lower or sentence based, whatever you want. Let's move to another trick, which is to press Ctrl plus backspace. We can easily select a word. For example, you want to remove this word, so you don't need to use this backspace, okay, to remove all the characters. But instead of that, you can simply press Ctrl plus backspace. See, that word has gone. Again Ctrl plus backspace, that word has gone. Now let's do another trick, is that to select a sentence. For example, this sentence, okay, from the start to the start, this is a sentence. You want to select this. You don't need to use your mouse. You can simply use Control plus press button on your mouse. Okay, just press Control and tap on your mouse, so it will select that sentence. Let's select this one, Control plus. See, this sentence is selected. Control, let's select this sentence, Control plus press the mouse, so it will select that sentence for you. Let's move to another trick, which is to use to draw a line. Okay, to draw a line, further simply 3 dashes and press enter. That has drawn. If you want to draw 2 lines, for that use equal sign 3 times and press enter. That has drawn. If you want to have 3 lines, so for that use hash 3 times and press enter. So that has drawn. If you want to just have a steric line, use steric. And if you want to have these lines, use these characters or these special characters, press enter. So this line has drawn for us. So this was to draw a line using the keyboard shortcuts, very simply. And another trick, let's move to another trick. For example, you want to just increase the size of the selected text. Okay, for that we have Control Shift plus greater than button. See, size is increasing. Again, if you want to decrease, Control Shift plus decrease button, less than button. See, the text has decreased. Now let's move to another trick to easily create a table. You don't need to come here to the insert and to create the table. Instead of that, just come here, just write plus how many columns you want. For example, again press tab, this is for the first one, plus tab for second column, plus for third column. So after that press enter. See, the table has drawn for us. So let's drag it to increase the size. So now if you want to just increase another row in this table, whenever you came to the last cell, press tab button. See, come to the tab, so it will increase the rows for us. So it was to easily create the table using keyboard shortcuts. Now let's move to another trick, which is that whenever in your resume or CV or a document you want to print your detail like this, okay, write your detail like, for example, personal detail. So for that you need to write like name, again come here, use backspace, and here use this dash, father name, again come here down and do the same trick. So instead of using space, so for that the first method is that we can use a tab. Okay, use tab, for example 1 2 3 tab, then use this 1 2 3 tab, then you write another column like this. Okay, it's for the first method that you use tab for this. But the easiest way is that instead of tab, just remove this and come here, just on this ruler, come here, for example on this place I want to use hyphen, just click here to see this line has drawn here, and again here we want to just have our second column, so press again here, just press here. See, we have these two lines. Now whenever I press tab, so it will directly come here to this area. See, directly by one tap it came here. Again use again press tab, it will come here to this line. See, it came here. For all details we can easily do like this. Okay, press tab, it will move there. So if you want to remove these lines, just double click on this, just come here to the line, double press, again it is not selected, you should select this line. See, whenever you double press on that, just clear all. Okay, so those lines has removed. So now let's move to another trick for official usable symbol. Okay, for official usable symbol like copyright. For the copyright we can simply open the bracket, write C, close the bracket. See, the copyright sign has came. For the register, open bracket, write R, and close that, the register sign has came for us. Okay, let's increase the size as this. See, this is register. And for the trademark, just use TM, close that, TM trademark. And also if you want to use a row sign, so for that simply 2 and then greater than sign, less than sign, then 2. Also you can use like equal in this and this equal this, you can just use draw this sign. So these were the shortcuts for drawing these signs. So now let's move to another trick, which is emojis. If you want to have emojis in your document, so you can simply use colon, open bracket, see, colon, close bracket, colon, this slash. So colon slash C, we have these emojis simply using keyboards. Now let's move to the number tricks. For the number tricks, for example, you want to have input and output devices. So for that example, whenever you just press space, so it automatically change to the number format, like write monitor, speaker, and you want how other type of speakers. So for that press tab, it will just change to this format. Right here, for example, first, second. Again you want you have another types inside this second, so press enter, then press tab, so to change to this first, second, like this. Okay, if you want to remove this, just come here, it will be like this. Okay, this is the number format that we has used. The last and the final trick is that if you want to use the calculator inside your Word, so you can just simply press Ctrl plus F9 button. See, these two brackets has opened. So inside this we can write equal, for example, 3 multiply by 5 divide by 5 plus for example 10 minus 5. So what will be the result? So 15, 3 and 13, 5, 8. 8 will be the result. Let's press F9 back. Okay, press F. So right now it is not working because with F9 my Camtasia will pause and resume. Okay, so whenever you press F9, so it will calculate these values for you. It will generate 9. So it was all about the tricks in my MS Word. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.